Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the Play Store problem step by step for clarity. Check Wi-Fi, mobile data, and airplane mode before changing other settings. Verify signal strength and switch networks if needed to rule out connectivity. Confirm your Google account is signed in and that sync is enabled for Play. Ensure Android has at least 500 MB free storage and close background apps to free memory. Open Settings and inspect Google Play services and Play Store versions for recent updates or errors. Apply common quick fixes that resolve most Play Store errors fast. Open Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove corrupted files. Do the same for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework for consistency. Force stop each app and restart the device to reload services cleanly. If downloads still fail, remove your Google account and re-add it to reset authentication. Also check for a system software update and install any pending Android update. Use advanced steps when basic fixes do not work and proceed carefully. Uninstall Play Store updates to revert to the factory version, then reinstall updates from settings if that resolves the issue. Boot into safe mode to check for third-party app conflicts that block Play Store functions. If problems persist, back up important data and perform a factory reset as a final step. Consider sideloading an APK for urgent installs, but only from trusted sources and with caution regarding security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.